box is going to be 2012 Topps Valor. I think 5 hits, 3 autos, or maybe 4 hits, 3 autos, and a jersey. I don't remember. It's either 4 or 5 hits. I know there's 3 autos for sure. Not sure if there's 1 or 2 jersey cards. 2012 Topps Valor. Alright, empty tin. Alright, just the 1 pack, and there's a hit on the back, so I'll leave them all in the front. Our first card is for the Browns. Brandon Weeden rookie, numbered out of 170. Brandon Weeden for the Rams out of 170. Next one is Adrian Peterson, parallel. For the Vikings out of 50. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings out of 50. Oh, and I guess the hits are going to start now. First one is for the Texans, DeVere Posey, numbered out of 25. So nice low numbered. DeVere Posey for the Texans out of 25. Next hit is going to be for the Lions, Ryan Broyles, numbered out of 170. Ryan Broyles for the Lions out of 170. So there's 2 hits down. Next one is for the Ravens, Torrey Smith. Torrey Smith for the Ravens out of 500. High number, but decent player. Torrey Smith for the Ravens. And the last card is a patch, a nice one. Chris Gibbons, 3-color, numbered out of 150. Got gold, white, and blue. Chris Gibbons for the Rams out of 150. So that does it for Valor. A nice quick